just thought I'd let you know, because you know you're really keen on this sort of stuff. 13.5 volts. It's late on the evening. It's now 7:04, and the internal temperature of the cabin is 21.4 Celsius. I know you like to know this stuff. And we're going to have a barbie today. Well, not a barbie, it's only me and Jane. We're watering the trees, planting another 50. It's a beautiful evening, or tomorrow, it depends how we feel. Getting a bit knackered now. How many have we planted so far up here?
500.
500 here so far. Down there or yonder, we've seen all that before. Look how green it is and lush. So I'm going to do a bit of a barbie. I'm just going to show you what we are. We're sort of doing, we've been following it for many years now, which is the ketogenic diet. And I'm just going to show you what we're going to have tonight. Look at that.
Whole video, is it?
Yep, he's going to have the whole video. What I did buy off the internet, off eBay, I'll put a link in the description below, 26 quid for charcoal. See what that burns like. Pretty good. I'm not going to put any more on, we don't need much more. That should do it. I'll let you know what that's like, and I'll put a link in the description down below. I'll put the grill on now. And this kills any bacteria. There we go. Okay, let that get going, and then we'll get the chicken on. It's quiet. It's quiet, and it is gorgeous. Look at that. And I might just whip the drone up. Have a bit of a look now. She's flourishing. Skylark. Ooh! As soon as it goes out, chicken goes on. So with all the trees we've got now, 500 I think Jane said. So we're bringing up 45 litres in those, so we can spray each tree, which has now got a protection around it. And then the next task is what we're doing virtually every night now. So let's just get back a bit so you can see. And the next job is this one. That's the easy one. That's the big one. Right. One of these days I'm going to drop. litres in there at the moment. I don't know if you can see that. And if you look, so if I go back a bit further, you'll see, I wouldn't say it's quarter, would you? I would say it's maybe 300. It's 1,000 litres. So that's not 1,000 litres, of course. So I'm not too sure. 300, 250 maybe. That's a quarter. No, it wouldn't be that, would it? It could be. I don't know. Anyway, your guess is as good as mine. Well, that's every night we try and do that. Get this full. And we're going to put a cover over it. I've started doing it around the back. So it's going to get all slimy and green. There you go. Let's get back to the Barbie. Come on. Probably thinking, why aren't I using the water from the tank? Well, we will do eventually. The idea is to get that full, and then we'll bring a hose pipe. I've got some pumps spare from other previous videos trying to get the shower to work. So I'll probably connect an inline pump from the solar panel or from the battery, and we'll run a hose pipe just down here. I don't know if you can see Jane at the moment. Where is she? We've planted all down this end. It's all over here, right to, oh, there she is over there. So I don't know if you can see, so you can zoom in. There's Jane, and then up there, sorry it's a bit skitty. See that green post? No, not there, there. In the middle of the screen, that greeny looking thing. That's where the land stops. So we're all the way up to there with trees. So there's, like, if you can see them, all scattered about. That's 500, I think, so far. I think it's 550. We've got 50 to go, and that makes me, I think, I don't know. Jane remembers, she puts it all down anyway. Okay, so that's the idea. So then we'll get some big containers with water, probably 25 litres or 50 litre containers. We're going to handle 50 litres each arm. Yeah, no problem. And we'll bring them up, and then we'll fill it up each time. Or 30 litres, whatever you can get them in. I don't mind. And then I'll just keep popping the tank up, but we can then feed water down to the veg patch and the trees. Okay, back to the Barbie. Sort of it's a bit boring, but it's just a bit of entertainment really. So I thought you'd like to come along and see what we get up to. Okay, that's ready. A couple of baked spuds, only me and Jay. Get them started. You can just about hear that now. Just started to sizzle. Which one is it? That one. Garlic. Got some the old salt. I'll do the other side afterwards as well. Salt. Ooh, we got black pepper or the black pepper. Ooh, blocked. That's better. That'll do for now. A bit of paprika. They're full. These are very, very full. So they have to go down a bit before we can get them out. There we go. Okay, let them crack on. Yep, look at that. Oh, look at that. Golden brown. You could even drop it lower if I wanted to, just like that. That'll do. Looking beautiful. I don't know what it is, but in this shake of this garlic is absolutely heavenly. I think these are some nice words tonight. There you go. Loads of garlic. Loads of garlic. There's a film that's on that, isn't it? Eat more garlic. What film that is? Right, we're doing these spuds over as well now, because I think they've done one side. Like the chicken dropping on the floor. Oh, that's alright, that's easy enough. Ooh, that one looks a bit burned. Right. Ooh. There we go. Can you hear all this? You can tell we're in the country, listen. We've got bullocks or cows over there going for it, sheep over there going for it. Pheasant. Beautiful sunset. Beautiful, look at that. Okay, yep, chicken done. I think I've burnt the baked spuds. I'll get them out now, plate it all up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Right, I think that one might be a little bit on the charred side. Yeah. So I'll save Janie any trouble and I'll have the charred one. There we go. Sorry Jane, but I'll have that one. There you go. Oh, that's alright. Oh, that's alright. Oh, look at that. Nothing wrong with that. Okay. Chicken and a wing. Chicken leg and a wing. Look at that. goes down low right in the fire so it cleans it. Next, this is what we've been sort of ketos. So it's high protein, low carb, except for the baked spud, so we do spoil it ourselves. So this is beautiful. Bit more garlic. I do like this stuff. Just seems, this is different. This granulated garlic just seems to have some sort of, I don't know, moorish about it. A little bit of, oh yeah, French Dijon mustard on one spud. And a bit of tartar sauce on the other one. Oh, I'll have a whole one. There you go, Janie. Enjoy that. Put that in the fire. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching if you did. If you'd like to like and subscribe, that would be great. Give it a thumbs up. Any other videos over here. Notification, well, subscribe button over there with the ding dong bell. If you hit that, you'll be notified of the next videos coming up. Hope they're not too boring. Just trying to keep everybody entertained. If you like the videos, I'll just keep doing them anyway. Take care. Catch you in the next one. Love you all. Stay safe. Bye. With the garlic. Oh yeah. That is beautiful. Just the wing alone is lovely. That garlic makes a big difference. Where is he? Anyway. Oh, beautiful.